Good morning, guys. Today is August 30th, the day of the concert. I'm super duper excited. I was just listening to like the set list and it kind of made me sad because I don't know how they're going to perform 2-1 and Joshua won't be there, so we'll see how that works. But I just brushed my teeth, washed my face. I'm about to get ready to actually head to the K-pop store. I don't know why I thought the store opened at 11. It opens at 12, so on a time crunch because I think check-in starts at 1 for the concert. But yeah, and plus I need to finish editing. Well, I finished editing and I uploaded it. I just need to make a thumbnail for my video, so that's all good. But yeah, I'll be on a time crunch in the K-pop store. I'll give myself tops hour and a half. Let's get ready for today. Then I need to find something to eat while I come back too. I might Uber eat something on my way back, but yeah. Good morning though. Last night was amazing. Spent here watching Mark. He's gonna do another live stream, so super duper happy about that. Hey guys, I just finished getting ready to head to the K-pop store. I'm gonna show you guys my outfit. I actually love it. Sorry I keep looking at the viewfinder, but okay, so this is the fit. I'm not wearing this to the concert, even though this would be so cute, but I'm just wearing this bustier top from Revolve, but it's from Super Down. My parachute pants, these are new. These are from Princess Polly, and then I just have on my Fila's that I love, and then my jewelry is the M Jewelers, and I just have my hair pushed back. About to grab my tote bag and we're about to head out because I need to get there quick, buy whatever I want so I can come back, freshen up, and get ready for the concert. But yeah, I love this fit. It's super cute. And then I can like adjust the bottoms if I want of the pants. So let's head out. Somebody take my card because I have not one, not two, but 3 bags of albums, and then they gave me a free poster back there that I about damaged almost, which pissed me off. But yeah, let me head back to the hotel room. We'll do an unboxing after the concert because I need to go back and get ready for the concert. So yeah, let me show you guys what I got from the K-pop store. I bought 3, 6, 9, 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Which I can't count. I can't count, but I bought. Don't mind the messy bed. All the albums I bought. Literally went berserk. And because I bought so much, you get a free pen. They had a God 7 pen, which I wish I had grabbed, but by the time it was gone. But I got the NCT one. But yeah, I got a bunch of albums that I have been looking for that I can't order offline, well, online, because they're like sold out or something like that. Trying to start my God 7 collection. And then Wavy's Kickback. I have been trying to get this for such a long time. This is the only version they had. And then they had 6 Hello. I've just started listening to them and I actually like this album. So I'll do an unboxing once I come back. Oh, and then they gave me freebies as well. So got Panchan, Suman, on a photo of 17. Group photo of Newest, photo of Pentagon. So yeah, I'm about to get ready. It is now 2:13. I'm trying to head out by like 3ish because I still need to check in for VIP because I'm not missing VIP sound check. Like, sorry, no. So let me get ready. I kind of figured out how I'm gonna do my hair because I don't know if it's supposed to rain. Let me get ready. So yeah. Hi guys, it's Sunny. I'm finally back from the concert. It's now 11:11. Oop, Make a Wish. The concert, amazing. Oh my goodness. 17's visuals, no joke. Like, they look so much more good looking in person. I was in awe. My phone is about to die. My phone every time I go to concerts, you know, you're recording and stuff, my phone acts up, it breaks. I always have to delete my music every time, but I'm like starving. I haven't had anything to eat pretty much all day, so I'm gonna try this place called Bangkok Bowls. I've been looking at this. It's like Thai, I ain't gonna say it's Thai food, but I've been wanting to try this. Okay, so I guess I can give you guys a haul of what I got from the K-pop store first. All of this. No one needs this many albums. We'll start with Blue Hour by TXT. I hate that I didn't bring like my scissors that I use to unbox a lot of my albums, but it's okay. We got nails. So this is, I think this is the VR version of Blue Hour. It's the pink one. All they had was the pink one. I really wanted the blue one, but it's all good though. Okay, we got a little poster. I think this is the poster. We got a poster of Subin. Oh, they give you a lot of stickers in here. These stickers are so nice. I'm thinking of starting a K-pop binder, so those would be nice. Okay, we got a little Subin card. Okay, my food has finally arrived. This is Bangkok Bowl. Let me move all of the photos and like K-pop stuff, because I'm gonna get mad if I get something on it. But looks like this. It smells good. So I just got the chicken with like the sweet chili sauce, some sesame seeds, broccoli, hot peppers, but they call it chilies, and then I got bamboo steamed rice and extra sauce. So this is what we're going to eat for tonight. This is dinner.
근데 진짜 쉬운 일이 아닌 것 같아요. 그리고 우리 하이브 그 예능도 했잖아요. 아, 저 그거 할 때도 되게 재밌었어요.
The next album, I literally came down here to see them. I finally got an old album from 17. I guess this is the truth version. I know this is like the photo cover of like the photo. I'm gonna make sure I don't like rip the sticker. Wait, I got Hoshi's version. Wow, that is so cute. I did not know it was broken up into versions like that, but there's like a little mini photo book with Hoshi. I really missed Hoshi at the concert, but it's okay. They said they would come back to Atlanta. When they do, I'll be back. But Hoshi and Joshua were backstage. Listen. Oh. I didn't mean to pull up. There's so many photo cards. Hold on, let me flip through this book really quickly. My alt bias. One of my alts of alts. But yeah, photo book is nice. Saw one of my photo cards. The concert though, one of my favorite concerts ever. Like, I was getting bias wrecked all night long. Love it. So the first photo card we have is S-Scoops, and literally like all of the units killed it. The hip-hop unit I love, the performance unit, those are my babes, love them. The vocal unit, love. Like, I can go home in peace now. But we got S-Scoops, in which he was killing it today. We got Sungwon. I love Sungwon's energy. Yes, I didn't even look at the back of it. We got Tokyeon. Tokyeon was so amazing today. They said he was super duper energized. It was the most energized he's ever been. And then we got Junghan. So those are some cute pools. I didn't know this one came with 4. Well, my other albums, like 4 albums, came with 4 photo cards. So yeah, I want to get all versions of this. That was it for and oh,
officially the last night with this view.
all right, Good morning, guys. It's Lonni. It is now Wednesday, August 31st, exactly 9 p.m. I'm all packed up and ready to go. I'm about to put everything in my car so we can head back home, which sucks. The concert, amazing. I'll insert some clips over here.
I love you.
I'm gonna film like a whole like separate vlog for it, but one of the best nights ever. As you can tell, my voice is very raspy, but this is gonna be like the last time I see this view for a good minute.
It's so beautiful. So nice and pretty. Wow. Love it.
Just packed everything up. I'll show you guys what we got.
Got my purse, my little fox, steamer, backpack that I'm taking. This is trash. I put this in this bag, which will have some food. This has like dirty clothes, and then we have my suitcase.
I'll start putting everything in my cart and I will get right back with you guys. So once we're done with that. Okay, everyone, it's official. I'm all packed up. I had a little mini panic attack because I thought I had lost my car keys, but I found them. But let me show you guys my outfit and then we'll be ready to go.
Kind of repeating the outfit from yesterday a little bit. I don't care though, I'm going home. But I have on this black top from Aritzia. It's the Ortiz top, literally my favorite top. These pants, Princess Polly, love these. Wearing my white Fila's, and then my jewelry is the M Jeweler. So that is the fit. Okay, little abs peeking through. Okay, we love that.
But yeah, we are about to go. I'm about to see this view one last time, head to the gas station and then go home. And to all the carrots I met at the concert, thank you. Y'all were so nice, so sweet. Like, one girl I hung out with, her name was Jessica, the sweetest girl ever. I wish I had got your Instagram or something so that we can chat, but she was so sweet. All the moms too, like the carrot moms that went, y'all were so sweet and so nice. Thank y'all, really appreciated it. But yeah, just the fandom overall, sweet, nice people, love them.
Yeah, this is the view. One last time.
Now we are about to head home. This is the end of my Atlanta 17 vlog. So bye guys.